Okay, this is called Worldwide Plaza, and on a Sunday, it's a day off. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is called Worldwide Plaza, and on a Sunday, it's a day off of domestic helpers, so we're just gonna take a look around and see what's all in here. Hello, kitty. I think if you go through to the other side, there's a Jollibee's in the alley. And it looks like sounds like there's like karaoke as well. I think what we're gonna do is just gonna walk up real quick, see what we see. Let's see, it's hard to get up there. Alright, so we're gonna try to go up. Reflection up there. So yeah, everything is freebie, huh? Okay, it's a card for the Philippines. So let's see what's all in here. So we're gonna walk right into here. And it's like a big marketplace, so let's see if we can navigate this area. Yeah, we're in Hong Kong, but this is no films? Okay. So this is Worldwide Plaza, and they basically told me that I can't film from here, so I'm getting out. We're going to the street, and then we're going to go to a different spot, but I thought I would include that, Worldwide Plaza.
Ang internet, ganun din naman, di ba?
So
for the next 5 months, mag-internet ka rin naman, di ba? So i-advance mo yung 5 buwan na yun, i-uwi mo na to. Or kung wala kang telepono, punta ka na siya.
So there is very popular for the Filipino community. Here's Jollibee's. Jollibee's restaurant. And we're gonna fade out. We're gonna go back this way. Selling SIM cards, I guess? Okay.
Huwag kalimutan, pag uwi ninyo sa Pilipinas, buksan lang ang data roaming feature ninyo.